That's right. Swiggy's IPO is fully subscribed. It's subscribed 2.4 times as of 2 p.m. and that's primarily led by foreign institutional investors who have come in towards the afternoon and added to the subscription. But the IPO as a whole, which was the most widely expected IPO, hasn't been to expectations, especially because of the kind of headwinds that we are seeing with respect to foreign investors and the kind of demand and the listing gains which are absent in the market there. If you look at from a category point of view, you have retail investors which the portion was fully subscribed as of now, which is one time, and that's primarily because we had 3 IPOs underway, which is Acme and Niva Bupa, which is also there in the market there, and all the 3 IPOs don't have much of a listing gain as we speak, and that's one of the reasons why retail interest is very lukewarm in this IPO, and in most cases it will retailers will get the entire allotment for which they were going to subscribe there. In the HNI segment, the cost of IPO financing is high, and also the absence of listing gain is preventing many of the HNIs from coming and subscribing in high numbers. The fact that many of the HNIs have also acquired the Swiggy shares from the off market at a price which is much higher than the IPO price is also preventing them, from averaging, because they don't because there is no listing gain which is coming in at this point in time. FPIs have been very wary of the secondary market, but in 2024 we have seen FPI has been net buyers in the primary market there. So the flows which are coming into the IPO is the only positive flows which are coming in India as of now. Otherwise, for the last 28-29 sessions, we have seen nearly 1.42 lakh crores of foreign fund outflows which is happening there, and that is also one of the reasons that appetite was much less in the anchor book. If you see the construction of the anchor book there, 54% was subscribed by domestic institutions. Now, normally in an anchor book, 1/3 is reserved for the mutual funds and other domestic institutions. In this case, more than half was given to domestic institutions because the appetite was much lower going into the IPO because there were multiple international factors at play at that point in time. And mutual funds have been good subscribers there. They have put in some bids, but it's not the kind of bid that we saw in the case of Zomato. Zomato issue was subscribed 38 times at the end of the issue, and the issue size was around 9,300 crores. And we are seeing Swiggy subscribing just 2.4 times, and especially because of the headwinds that's coming in from various investors, and no listing gains which are expected for the IPO.
Okay, Sajid, thank you so much for getting us all those updates.